welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am going to make simple ordinary chicken curry. This is the chicken which I have taken, 750 grams. And very easy way, ordinary way I am going to make, but very tasty it will be. So first of all, I will put the mustard oil. While making the curry, I will show you the ingredients. I will use some mustard oil for the chicken curry. I have chopped up 4 medium size onions. This I will use now. I have taken some garam masala and 3 bay leaves. This also I will use. The oil is turned hot. Now I will put in the bay leaves and the garam masala. The garam masala and the bay leaves are almost turned little bit brown. Now I will put in the onions. I will let the onions turn brown. Friends, the onion is already turned golden brown, you can see. Now I will put some salt. Friends, put in the chicken. I've taken 2 green chilies, this also I will put in. I have chopped up 2 tomatoes, this also I will put in. Friends, this is the ginger garlic paste, this also I will put in. I will cover this for a little while because the water will come out from the chicken. I will let the water dry a little bit and then put in the other masalas. Friends, you can see the water coming out from the chicken. Put some turmeric powder, put some chili powder, put some dhania powder, put some jeera powder, put some black pepper powder, friends, you can see the oil is floating on top. You can see it's coming out from the chicken there. Now I'll fry this nicely along with the masala. Friends, the masala is fried up nicely, you can see, along with the chicken. Friends, now I'll put some chicken masala. Friends, now I will add the water. Cover it up and let the chicken cook. Friends, ordinary simple chicken curry, very tasty and delicious, is ready. Thanks for watching my video.